Hello everyone, my name is Mari Sanders and I'm presenting for my History 101 class. My presentation for today is how did the early history of Athens and Sparta shape their later development. Sparta and Athens. The two rivals of ancient Greece that made the most noise and gave the most traditions were Athens and Sparta. This war became known as the Peloponnesian War. Athens. Athens' government had leaders who elected. Athens is said to have been the birthplace of democracy. Situated in southern Europe, Athens became the leading city of ancient Greece in the first millennium BC, and its cultural achievements during the 5th century BC laid the foundations of Western civilization. Philip II of Macedon defeated Athens and Thebes at the Battle of Charonia in 338 BC. Sparta. Sparta was a warrior society in ancient Greece. Spartan culture was centered on loyalty to the state and military service. The legendary period of Spartan history is believed to fall into the Dark Age. It treats the mythic heroes such as the Heraclides and the Perseus, what led to the Peloponnesian War. The resentment felt by other cities at the hegemony of Athens led the Peloponnesian War. It began in 431 BC and pitted Athens and its increasingly rebellious overseas empire against a coalition of land-based states led by Sparta. The more immediate reason for the war was Athenian control of the Delian League, the vast naval alliance that allowed it to dominate the Mediterranean Sea. Who won the Peloponnesian War? Sparta won the Peloponnesian War in 404 BC. Athens was forced to surrender because of miscalculations of their military commanders. The democracy was replaced by an oligarchy of 30 Athenians friendly to Sparta. The Delian League was shut down. Athens were reduced to a limit of 10 triremes. I post a video explaining more about the Athens versus Sparta. Okay, now I have a question. How do you think the Peloponnesian War could have been avoided? And what do you think was the main problem between the Athens and Spartans? Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video.